Well, hello there. Good evening, guys. It's Miss Robbins again, and tonight we are going to read Pete the Cat Play Ball. Who likes to play ball? I sure do. I like to play baseball, soccer, and volleyball. Let's see what kind of ball Pete's going to play. Here comes Pete. Pete has a mitt. He has a bat and a ball. What will Pete do? Pete will play baseball. Today is the big game. The Rocks are playing the roles. Pete and his team get set. They play catch. They take turns hitting. It's always good to take turns. It is time to play ball. The Rocks bat first. Pete waits for his turn. Crack! The batter hits the ball. He runs to first base. Way to go, Pete cheers. Batter up, says the umpire. Pete goes to bat. The pitcher throws the ball and Pete swings the bat. He misses the ball. Strike one. The pitcher pitches again and Pete swings too high. Strike two. The pitcher winds up. He throws and Pete strikes out. But Pete is not sad. He did his best. Pete's friend Ben is up, and Ben hits a home run. Way to go, screams Pete. The Rolls are up to bat, and the Rocks go to the field. Crack! Here comes a fly ball. I've got it, calls Pete. The ball hits his mitt, but Pete drops it. He is not sad. He tried his best. Another hit. This time Pete catches it, but he throws it too far. Pete is up to bat again. He wants to hit the ball. But the first pitch is too low. Pete did not swing. Ball one. The next pitch is too high. Pete does not swing. Ball two. The third pitch is inside, and the fourth pitch is outside. Pete gets 4 balls. Pete wanted to get a hit, but Pete says a walk is cool too. The next batter gets a hit, and Pete runs as fast as he can. Pete wants to score, but he is out at home plate. Pete is not sad. He did his best. The game is over. The Rocks win 6-3. Way to go, calls Pete. Good game, the Rocks say. Good game, the Rolls say. Pete did his best, and he had fun. What a great game. I sure would have loved to have been on Pete's team. He's a great teammate. We always want to be a good teammate and a good sport. I hope you enjoyed this book tonight. See you next time.